A revolution on hold? Have you ever wondered if your bank account could truly understand you? Imagine a bank that anticipates your needs before you even voice them. This isn't just a far-off dream. The technology, the AI, is knocking on the door. It's ready to transform how we interact with our money, making banking smarter, faster, and maybe even a little bit fun. We're talking about AI systems that could manage your investments with incredible precision, far beyond what a human advisor might achieve alone. They could help you secure a loan in minutes, not days, by assessing risk with lightning speed and accuracy. The promise is a financial world that's more efficient, more personalized, and ultimately more helpful. But here's the catch. If AI is so powerful, why aren't our banking apps already brimming with these features? The answer is complex. It involves more than just technological capability. Banks, by their very nature, are cautious institutions. They handle our life savings, our mortgages, the very economic fabric of our societies. What AI promises banks? Let's zoom in on what AI could specifically do for your banking experience. Imagine an AI that acts as your personal financial guardian. It could monitor your accounts 24/7, detecting suspicious activity with superhuman speed and accuracy. This isn't just about stopping fraud. It's about giving you peace of mind, knowing your finances are constantly watched over by an incredibly vigilant digital sentinel. Beyond security, AI promises a new era of hyper-personalization. Your bank could offer you products and services that are genuinely relevant to your life stage and financial goals. Are you saving for a house? Your AI banking assistant could proactively offer tailored mortgage advice or savings plans. Planning a big trip? It might suggest the best travel rewards credit cards or currency exchange options. This level of personalization can build incredible loyalty. Then there's the sheer efficiency AI can bring. Think about the time it takes to apply for a loan or get a complex financial question answered. AI can streamline these processes dramatically, leading to quicker turnarounds for everyone involved. The murky waters of AI rules. Now let's talk about the big hurdle, regulatory uncertainty. Imagine you're building the most amazing, high-tech treehouse ever. But the neighborhood association hasn't decided on the rules for treehouses yet. They haven't specified how tall it can be, what materials are officially allowed, or what safety features are mandatory. So, you start building, but you're constantly worried. The rules for artificial intelligence, especially in finance, are still being written. Governments and regulatory bodies around the world are grappling with how to oversee this powerful new technology. They want to encourage innovation, but also have a duty to protect consumers and ensure financial stability. This process of creating new laws and guidelines takes time. Banks are by nature risk-averse. They operate in one of the most heavily regulated industries on the planet. Introducing AI into this environment is like adding a whole new dimension of complexity. If the rules for AI are unclear or constantly changing, it makes it incredibly difficult for banks to invest heavily in AI systems with confidence. Fear of the unknown, why banks are tapping the brakes. This uncertainty directly translates into hesitation. Banks are asking themselves a crucial question. If we deploy this advanced AI and the rules change tomorrow, what happens? Imagine a bank launches a new AI-powered loan approval system. It seems fair and efficient. But then, a new regulation comes out, or an existing one is interpreted differently, and the AI's decision-making process is suddenly deemed discriminatory. The consequences could be severe. Regulators could impose massive financial penalties. Customers who feel they were unfairly treated could launch class action lawsuits. The media spotlight would be intense, and the bank's hard-earned trust could evaporate overnight. Banks are essentially in that cautious driving mode with certain AI applications. The grand balancing act, innovation meets regulation. So, we find ourselves at a cosmic crossroads. On one side, there's the immense, transformative power of AI, promising a banking future that's more efficient, personalized, and accessible. On the other side, there's the very real fear of navigating a minefield of regulatory uncertainty. Banks are caught in this gravitational tug-of-war, wanting to innovate, but also needing to protect themselves and their customers. The big question then becomes, are we striking the right balance? Is the current level of caution justified, or is it inadvertently stifling innovation that could bring significant benefits to society? What's needed is a clearer pathway, a more predictable regulatory environment. Regulators need to work collaboratively with the industry to develop guidelines that are robust enough to protect consumers and ensure stability. but also flexible enough to allow for innovation. The journey to an AI-powered financial future is not a sprint, but a carefully navigated voyage.
And that's a wrap on today's exploration into the fascinating realm of AI anomalies. If you enjoyed unraveling the mysteries with us, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to click the notification bell so you never miss a moment of our captivating insights. Until then, stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring the wonders of AI with us.